Sri Tiruchi Sivaji. Sri Tiruchi Sivaji.
Thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir.
Please,
Sir, one more bill in the process of usurping the state's powers in a federal structure.
Yes.
And we are sorry, sir. Moreover, in all the bills, we have participated and expressed our reservations. And unavoidably, that we are also a party to these legislations. Sir, the Constitution was framed in such a manner, and the country has been the largest democracy in the world, establishing itself all these years. But what is the reason for taking away the powers of the states indirectly in every bill is a big question. That's my first concern, sir. Sir, the Consumer Protection Act 1986 was enacted to provide protection to of the interests of the consumers, and also to provide for establishment of consumer protection councils. So they performed well, but at the same time there was delay in the disposal of cases. Sir, it took 12 months on an average to resolve a consumer case. The Act does not address consumer contracts between a consumer and manufacturer that contain unfair terms. In this context, the Law Commission of India had recommended that a separate law be enacted and presented a draft bill in relation to unfair contract terms. And moreover, sir, the increase of the international trade and the increase in the e-commerce did provide a large options and opportunities to the consumers. At the same time, it also made them vulnerable to unfair trade practices and unethical business. So I think this bill is a must at this juncture. But in this process, again I say, it takes away all the powers. Sir, confining to my time, the Supreme Court in various cases have held that when a commission is authorized to perform judicial functions, it's a quasi-judicial body. The commission is vested with civil as well as penal powers. In this case, the commissioner must be a person possessing requisite qualifications and experience in the field of law or other specified fields. In the Consumer Protection Bill 2019, when it comes to the point of commission, the commissions are established at the district, state, as well as national level and are given adjudicatory functions. But the composition only requires a president and members, the numbers of which are to be presented by the government, but no one will be from the judicial side, either the chairperson or the members. Then how can you call it as judicial body, quasi-judicial? It's a pseudo-judicial. Sir, it cannot be. At least it should be explicit in the bill that at least the chairperson or one of the members should be a person representing the judiciary side. Otherwise, we cannot call it as judiciary, quasi-judicial body. And second is arbitration, but they call it like that.
They say that.
It's only arbitration. And very important, sir, my concern is, class 6 says, the State Council shall be an advisory council and consist of the following members. Such number of other officials or non-official members not exceeding 10 as may be nominated by the central government. Sir, it is in the level of State Council, but the members are nominated by the central government. And again, we can call it ridiculous or something strange. How could that be? A council at the level of the state, the members are appointed by the central government. And again, sir, Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. In this, each district commission shall consist of a president, not less than 2, and not more than such number of members as may be prescribed in consultation with the central government. Again, it says, the state government's redressal commission, the members will be appointed by consulting the central government. So, sir, what for is this federal sector? What for is the states? It's all in the concurrence. So, I think states' powers are totally usurped. And everybody is appointed, ad hoc. So even while appointing such people by the central government, they are not fixed with the necessary qualification. Those are our concerns. So it is not quasi-judicial body, they say, but it doesn't reflect that what is being said. And so also it takes away the state power, sir. So I would suggest this bill has to be referred to a select committee, then only it would justify.
Thank you, Tiruchi Sivaji.